Do you have goji berries growing, or are you lucky enough to be able to find them fresh in your local market? Well, today I'm going to show you a wonderful method of preserving them, which is by drying them. And I actually have a dehydrator at home, but I figure most people don't, so I'm going to show you how to simply do it in your oven. Welcome to True Freedom Permaculture, where I show you all the tips and tricks you need to have a green thumb, even if you weren't born with one. Let's head to my kitchen. First things first, I'm going to preheat my oven to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. The idea is we want to dry the berries out low and slow. While the oven's preheating, I'm going to take my washed goji berries, and I picked these the other day. It's about autumn here and they're nice and ripe, so got these from my garden. And they're already washed and they've been drying in the fridge overnight, and I'm going to place them on my baking sheet. My baking sheet is lined with foil just to make cleanup a little bit easier. And what I want to do is I want to make sure that all the goji berries are not touching, so that way all the sides get evenly exposed to the heat in the oven. They're beautiful, they look like little red jewels. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. My oven is preheated, so let's get these in the oven. So this is after the first 30 minutes of baking, and you're just going to want to turn them a little bit. I'm just going to use my finger here just to make sure that all sides get dried out evenly. And you'll want to do this about every 30 minutes or so. And this is what we ended up with. So as you can see, most of all the moisture has been completely taken out of these. When I press them, when I try to squeeze them, I really can't. They really don't have much give, which is what we're looking for, because that means that they're going to store better. So just take them, put them in an airtight container. If you have one of those vacuum sealers, they'll last even longer, but that's it. That's all there is to it. These goji berries are really nutritious. See how they taste? It's so interesting. They're like a really concentrated, sweet and slightly tangy bell pepper flavor. It really is unique. They would be great in trail mixes, or you could put them like on top of an acai bowl or smoothie, in muesli. You could use them to decorate cakes. One of my favorite ways to have them is reconstituted in a tea. You just add a few berries to some hot water and let them get nice and soft again. And these berries are not as sweet as when I purchased like the dried goji berries at the store before. So what I would do is I would add a little bit of honey and maybe even some ginger. And I think that would be really nice. If you're into the idea of preserving food, you still have a chance to take the fresh flavor of mint and make it last all year long. In this video coming up here, I show you how to take the mint from your garden and make it into a versatile and delicious syrup. So if that interests you, I will see you in that video. See you soon.